thing to pop up this plastic part, I will use this screwdriver. And it's really easy to do. There you go, from the top. Now all you have to do is to take off this connector. You push and you pull, and it came. That easy. Now you have to unscrew those 3 bolts with a 10mm socket. Before you take off the 3rd bolt, grab the mirror with one hand and unloose the rest of the strength of this other hand, and it will just come off that easy. You have just to push from the inside and pull it out from the outside and grab the mirror. And here is the mirror, and I will show you how to mount the new one. I have the original mirror in the left side, and I will have the generic version in the right side. And the problem is, it's really disturbing when I'm trying to park or to use the mirror, and it seems to not giving me the the same distance of objects behind my car, right? So I can't really install this one, but I may have a suggestion that I pull out this mirror. I will apply heat here and use these things to try to take it off the glue, and I'll be back. So I took off the mirror from the original part, this one, and this is the generic version, and it just broken because it was glued, not glued, I mean like some 3M tape or whatever. But the original part, there were no tape at all, so it was easy to take off and it didn't break. This one, it just broke, so there is no hope to get it back. Now, other thing, I damaged the circuit of the heating function here because I had to take these 2 cables, but it's okay because I don't really need the heating option. I thought I would need it, but if it's not functioning anymore, then I don't need it. So I'm cool with that. So now I just try to clean up this one. This is the generic cover, and there were tape there, and everywhere. So it was hard to take off. That was nasty. So hopefully this will fit. Because if it doesn't fit, I'll be doomed. Go underneath the whole outer frame of this plastic, and it will hold it like that. There is no need to put a glue or a tape or whatsoever. in the original part. Unfortunately, in the generic part, this is not the case. So what happens here, the mirror will, you know, it would go just above, on top of this part, the plastic frame. Okay, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but you get the idea. So I had to put a glue to hold the mirror in the frame, and what I used this one. A lot of you know what is this. This is a black RTV silicone. This is what we use to seal the gasket of the oil pan. And the reason why I use this is because, let me zoom in. What is the information? Well, it can remain between the temperature -65 degrees to up to 260 Celsius, which is really resistant. And this is what I need because the car is outside all the time, winter or summer, all the season. So I let this settle overnight. I didn't put this back because I don't need the heating option. So this mirror will clips inside with these two hooks, and this will go here and there. So all you have to do is just, and these two here. So all what we need to do is to put it in place and just click. Normally you should hear the click. I didn't hear it. Try again. There we go. And let's go downstairs and put this back into the car. This is the generic one, this is the original one, and it's more better quality, so I think I will go ahead and put this back in, even though I have toured this, but it's okay. So go ahead and pass the plug through. Okay, pass these screws through like so. Open the window. It's raining, so I better hurry up. I'll take this off, bring the mirror from the outside, and bring this through first. Now the screws. Secure them. And don't forget to turn off the motor before plugging this. And now this plastic. And now let's test this out. So we're testing this out from the driver's side. Okay, and let's see if it works. I won't turn on the motor, it's just halfway on.
Starting normal recording.
And here it goes. Up.
Real-time clock error. Please check your time settings.
Down. Right. And left. So all works perfectly. And this is how you replace the mirror arm in your Suzuki Grand Vitara 2006. Now, when you buy this, it comes with a paint to match option, so it's not painted. You have to paint it. Now a problem is the paint that matches my car, which is white pearl, is a bit expensive for this small area. It's just $85 plus tax. It's ridiculous. So I have two options: either pay that amount to match this mirror to the other one, which is good, or if it's less expensive to have the black one, then I will paint the original one with black. So I will go and see in the paint shop what option is less costly for me, and I will do it. And I'll make another video on how to paint the this mirror. Hope you guys like this video and you have learned something along with me, because this is my first time to change this this part in my car, which wasn't that really difficult, not to mention the whole mess about trying to swap parts from the original parts of the generic one. But anyway, it's really easy to do it for yourself. Watch this video and other videos to learn how to do it on your car, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this playlist about the Suzuki Grand Vitara, do activate the notification about this playlist, so every time I upload a new video on my Suzuki, you will be notified. And that's it, guys, and have a good day. I'm out.